Hi boys and girls! Today I'm going to read you one of my most favorite stories ever, and I think I've read it to you before, but it's so good it's worth listening to over and over again. It is called We're All Wonders. I know I'm not an ordinary kid. Sure, I do ordinary things. I ride a bike, I eat ice cream, I play ball. My mom says I'm unique. She says I'm a wonder. My dog Daisy agrees. But some people don't see that I'm a wonder. All they see is how different I look. Sometimes they stare at me. They point or laugh. They even say mean things behind my back. But I can hear them. It hurts my feelings. It hurts Daisy's feelings too. When that happens, I put on my helmet. I put Daisy's helmet on too. And then we blast off, up, 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 up through the clouds. Across the galaxy. All the way to Pluto. We say hello to old friends. From far away, the earth looks so small. I can't see any people, but I know they're there. Billions of people, people of all different colors, people who walk and talk differently, people who look different like me. The earth is big enough for all kinds of people. I know I can't change the way I look. But maybe, just maybe, people can change the way they see. If they do, they'll see that I'm a wonder. And they'll see that they're wonders too. We're all wonders. Look with kindness, and you will always find wonder. And I think each and every single one of you is a wonder. And if you have not seen the movie Wonder, it is a wonderful movie to watch with your family during this time that we're all stuck at home. I miss you so much, and I cannot wait to see you again.